to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Alright, welcome back to Funny Computer Hub. Let's say for example you are through editing your videos and you want to export it, right? You want to export your video, you just edited your video with CapCut, you want to export. Let me just show you how to export, because knowing how to edit videos but don't know how to export it, how to make it to be on your phone gallery is a big deal. Okay, it's not just right, because some person will be looking out for it. Please, so I've edited, please how can I save it? I don't know how to save it. So that is what I want to show you on this video. So but if you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly smash the subscription button below this video right now, and then turn on the notification bell, so anytime we drop amazing tutorial videos like this, you will be notified. So once you come here and you have finished you are through editing and you want to export, just come here, click on this 1080p. You can increase your resolution or reduce your resolution. Okay, you can say okay, I want it to be 2k to 4k resolution, or I want it to be 720p. Let's say I leave it at 720p. okay, or you can still leave it at as it were 1080p. So once you are through, you come here, click on this arrow that is pointing up here. Okay, remember there is something that is here. If I want to export this thing as GIF, I can select GIF and then export, but I want to export it as video. Okay, so I select the video. Once I'm through setting up the time frame and all that, you click here. Okay, is exporting. Say please don't close CapCut or lock your screen. So this is a pure and a good warning, because if you close CapCut, your exporting might stop working. It's not might, it will stop working. Okay, if you also lock your screen, it will also stop working. So being that you have been told not to do so, please don't do so. Just wait for it. But remember, if you have long video duration, just know that your exporting may take some time to finish. Your video will take some time to finish exporting. So just stay tuned. Let's exercise patience as it's finished exporting. So now I'm going to show you it to you on our video gallery to confirm that we actually exported this video. All right, and don't forget to subscribe. Can you just take your time now, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now and turn on the notification bell. Click on the subscription bell again. Once you click on subscribe, click on the bell that is beside the subscription button. Click on the bell and then select all. Okay, it means that you are telling YouTube that all the videos that we drop on our channel, you want to get the notification. All right, so we have finished exporting. So this place now is asking you, do you want to share it to TikTok? You click on share it to just direct you to TikTok, but we don't want to share it to TikTok. So these are Instagram, other social media platform which you can share it to. Let's say I want to share it to my WhatsApp. I click here, it say WhatsApp not installed and all that. Okay, we can just click done. Okay, let me click on WhatsApp again. It's actually directing me to WhatsApp. Okay, so we can just click done. Okay, so let me open my video gallery now. Video player. Okay, the first one, can you see it? Can you see it here? That is the video. If I click on it, that is the video. Can you see the love thing we added there? So that is the video. Okay, so this is how to export video on CapCut. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.